Hello, today I'm going to be talking to you about how to plant the passion fruit from the seed. So if you buy a passion fruit in a store, you can get lots and lots of seed out of it, and you can plant it at home and get a beautiful plants and get your passion fruits at home. So get your seeds out from the passion fruit. You cut the passion fruit out and you clean the seeds the way that they don't have anything on top of them, and then you plant about 2 or 3 in each container. You don't plant more than that, because they just gonna be growing, and if it's strong enough, they're gonna I'm planting actually in a small container, so that's why I'm just doing 3. So once they're mature and strong enough to be replanted to a different container, then I'm just going to be replanting them from to a different container, and then really easy to grow. Right now I just put 3, and then we're going to be watering it. I'm going to be covering with more soil on top and just watering, and keep it like that in my greenhouse until they sprout and become stronger. After that, I'm going to be replanting it to a bigger pot and keep it in a big pot. So I'll show you now the plant that already was grown from the seed, and how they turned out. So those are the already ready plants, and as you see, they're different in size, but the thing is they were all planted at the same time, and you see how the difference between them. See, this one is doing well. This one is the best one. It's growing nice and healthy, and there are different small ones, but they don't look that well. They look sick, and I don't think I'm going to be keeping those. So from this point you can get this one, let's say, and let it grow. It's gonna grow really fast, and then from that you can, if you want to make more plants for yourself, you can make cuttings out of it, and you're gonna have lots of different cuttings, and you can plant them, and you're gonna have lots of fruit growing in your garden, or you can actually keep it in the container. And they're very innovative. So if you don't have a lot of space, keep it in the container. If you do have a place, it's really good if you put it towards the fence, because it likes to crawl, and then you have beautiful fence, and there's a lot of fruit growing, and very beautiful flowers. It's a very healthy plant, and it's very healthy fruit to eat. So if you like the video, I will be having another video where I'll be showing how to plant cuttings and what came out of it, and how long will it take. This plant took me to grow about 8 months from the seed till this size. So, and it looks very healthy and ready to go, and it's spring now, so by summer I hope to have flowers from it and the fruit already. So if you like, subscribe, and I have more videos about how to plant fruits and cherry and berries from seeds and from cuttings. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.